This private resort showcases a modern architectural style, characterized by clean lines and contemporary elements. The structure features a two-story design, with a combination of materials including wood, stone, and glass. Large windows and sliding glass doors create a sense of openness, allowing for natural light and views of the surrounding landscape. The dining hall presents an open and airy architectural design, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor spaces through expansive glass walls. The swimming pool is integrated seamlessly into the resort's design. It features a rectangular shape and is surrounded by a stone wall on one side, adding a natural element to the design. The pool area is surrounded by greenery, including Cocos nucifera, which adds to the relaxing and tropical atmosphere. A waterfall feature cascades from the stone wall into the pool, enhancing its visual appeal. The glamping area features two A-frame kubo structures with thatched roofs, offering a rustic yet charming aesthetic. One of the structures appears to have a projector, suggesting its use as a small theater. A rectangular fish pond with lush aquatic plants runs alongside one of the kubos, adding a natural and tranquil element to the area. Balconies with metal railings offer outdoor spaces for relaxation and enjoyment of the views. The interior of this villa presents a compact yet functional design, maximizing space efficiency. The layout appears to be open plan, seamlessly connecting a kitchenette area with a sleeping space. The kitchenette features light wood cabinetry, a dark countertop, and a microwave. A small round table with a white top and light-colored chair suggests a dining or workspace. The flooring throughout is a warm-toned wood. A doorway leads to what appears to be a bathroom with tiled walls and a sink visible. The walls are painted in a neutral tone, and the ceiling is clad in light-colored wood panels with recessed lighting. The overall design reflects a balance of functionality and aesthetics, creating a comfortable and inviting retreat.